Do you know that you can create your CV for free today using AI, artificial intelligence? AI is very useful in our world today, and one of the things you can use it for is to create a free CV. You don't need to pay anybody to do it for you, and you don't need an experience to do it, okay? It is free. I've tried it and it has worked, okay? So you will have templates to choose from, and you can create your CV. Without wasting your time, let's delve into it. So the first step, okay, is after you've visited this site, okay, because I'm going to be putting the link in the description under this video. So after you've visited this particular website, the first step is to click on this build your resume, okay. When you click on this build your resume, it's going to take you to where you can proceed, okay. And when you come here, you need to click on this create new. Okay, when you click on this create new, then you choose either this new CV or this new cover letter. So that means that you can also create a cover letter. Okay, well, for this video, we're going to concentrate on CV. Okay, now something I didn't tell you is that you need to create an account. It's because I've created an account, that is why it looks like this. Okay, so when you're visiting this website for the first time, it will ask you to either create an account or to sign in if you already have an account. Okay, so you, in that situation, you will need to enter your email address and create a password in which you use to be logging in subsequently. All right, okay, so let's proceed. So you click on this new CV, and after you've clicked on it, then you will have different options here. Okay, you have different options, and the first one is to start with an industry example. That means for you to create from scratch, or here you can upload an existing CV if you have any, then follow the instruction, okay, or you can import your LinkedIn profile, okay, and follow the instruction. Okay, but for this video, I'm going to do the first one, which is you creating from scratch. Okay, so you click on this one, okay, if you want to create from scratch. Then you see examples of different templates. So this is the preview of the template that you click here. Okay, so this is so amazing because if you're a project manager, right, I mean, you don't need to think too much because you just need to come here and click on this project manager, and it previews a CV similar to that of a project manager. You understand? Then you click on this, use this CV, then you edit it, you customize it to what you want. Like you can change the name to your name, you know what I mean? So also, if you're a business analyst, you can do the same. Executive, data scientist, you can do the same. Even yeah, even UX designer, even architect, engineering, chemical engineer, mechanical engineer. So just check here and see your profession, the professions that that matches your own profession. Then click on it. Then it previews the CV here. Then you click on this, use this resume. Okay. Now for this video, I'm going to use this particular one, this project manager. Okay. So let's click on this, use this resume. So when you click on this, use this resume, okay, you can see that this has been tailored for a project manager, okay. You can see that it has been tailored for a project manager. So what you need to do here, you need to click on this place now. For example, you put your name, okay, Promise Breno, and if you have this particular thing here, let's say you have this particular certification, then you leave it. But if you don't have it, you remove it and put the one you have. Or if you don't have it at all, you remove it, okay? Or you put the one you have. Then here, you edit it and put your phone number. For example, you can edit here. If you're living in Nigeria, +234, then something like that. Put your own phone number. You can edit this to to customize it to your own email address. For example, I can make this customize it to my own email address the way I want it. Okay, you can also put yours here at yahoo.com. Yes, then you can also edit this location. Let's say you live in, for example, Enugu. So Enugu, because Enugu State. Okay, sorry, Enugu, yeah. Then here, you can leave it the same, but you just need to, let's say you have lesser years, for example, if you have less than 5 years, you put it. Just make sure that you're writing the correct thing that suits you, okay? All right, so don't overhype it. Make sure that you're honest in your CV, okay? So result-oriented project, let's assume this person is result-oriented project manager, leader, result-oriented project team leader with 5 years of experience covering project and product management, including developing, implementing, and supporting complex infrastructures for fast-growing startups. A fast and eager learner, I am detail-oriented and adapt to changing project requirements quickly to meet business goals. Okay. Then you come here and just edit anywhere that you want to edit to make it your own. All right, in a nutshell. Okay, just edit anywhere you want to do the education. You can do that, and after you've done that, okay, after you've done everything and you know that everything is okay, everything is correct and true, then you come here on the left hand side and click on download CV. So just click on this place now. For example, you click on this, download as PDF or send PDF to your email. All right, so or you download as TXT. Okay, so let's use this one. And after you do this one, you see now, when it's done 100%, then it will be downloaded to your device. Okay, and that is it. Very easy, very easy. Then you open it. Very easy, not hard. Okay, this is very easy. Or you can share. Okay, you can share it. You can share it. If you want to share it. Yeah, very easy. Okay, so guys, that's it about this particular this video. Okay, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I have lots of videos on my channel. I've even made another video about CV already on my channel, but this one is very easy. This one I just showed you today is very easy. You understand? Very, very easy. So you can watch other videos. I make content. Normally I make content about immigrating abroad, either through work, through studies, or through other legit ways. All right. So, and in a cost-effective way, actually, if you don't have a lot of money and you like to move abroad, I have videos for you here. Whether you want to move to America, you want to move to Canada, you want to move to Europe, UK, I have videos and I make videos, and I drop content every week. So, ensure that you watch other videos on my channel, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we drop content. We drop content every week. And don't forget to leave a good comment on this video, and don't forget to share. Please help us to share this video with as many people as possible. And yeah, it is possible, to create a CV. And I would like to see you getting job opportunities. I would like to see you getting more interviews and eventually getting hired. And I would like to listen to your testimony. So if after this video you were able to create a CV and you got the job, please don't forget to share it with us on this channel, right? Yeah, looking forward to your testimony. Thank you so much for watching. And also, I want to remind you that if you still, after following this process and you still want me to do it for you, you can also book that service. Okay, it's in the description under the video. The link is there. Just click on the link if you want me to use this service to create your own CV. Like, I know different ways, I know different websites one can use to create a CV, and this is just one of it. And I can create a CV for you, professional CV, even European standard CV. Okay, I can create it for you. Okay, so just book that service. And also, if you want to talk to us one-on-one, the link is in the description under this video. Talking to us one-on-one is better than watching videos. The reason is because you're able to ask us questions and we're able to answer you, and we're able to tailor our advice to your own specific immigration needs. Sometimes you can't find what you're looking for in videos. Sometimes you cannot find everything, all your answers. Sometimes you can't find all your answers in a video or in videos. But when you are talking to somebody, one-on-one, when you're talking to somebody virtually, you're able to relay everything and you're able to open up to them, and you can do that by clicking on the link in the description under this video, and we can have a one-on-one session. Okay. After you've done that, reach out to us on Instagram or Facebook. So the links to my Instagram and Facebook is also in the description under this video. All right. Yeah. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Till I come your way again. Have a great time. See you in my next video.